My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called MAGAKOSH. This ransomware actually is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. It almost immediately encrypts the files and damages the data considerably. And also it reveals this ransom note indicating that all your files have been encrypted by Magaskosh. This is the extension appended to the file names, and it is then impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting your data recovered. So do not pay the ransom and do not waste your funds. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, and you'll find a special link in this video. And the second part of my video will be how to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for removing this ransomware and other malware from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.